What up guys, so we are back. Today we're going to be testing the temperature sensor in the cylinder head. There's no need to do this for this bike, there's no reason. I'm just going through everything. So I'm going to add the values and resources in the description below. But to start, you really simply are just pulling it off. If it's a bit of a struggle, you can use pliers or something like that. You'll see there's 4 pins in there. And there's only 2 pins there, but don't worry about this will only go in one way. So when you're testing now, we're going to be testing these two pins on the left side, and your resistance should be somewhere around 2.6k ohms. So we're on the 20k ohm setting, and there is the reading 2.04. This is a temperature sensor. Obviously, as the temperature changes, the resistance is going to change as well. So check out the description. You'll see your guideline of what temperature, what resistance should be. But I'm pretty much happy with this.